We humans are a sponge. We absorb everything. And camera is a tool given to all the photographers to squeeze whatever is this sponge absorbing. You must be thinking that what the hell Ashok Verma talking about today? Camera, sponge, humans, absorb. Isn't it? We human beings are absorbing everything, whatever we see. That's a non-stop process. And we absorb whatever is happening around us, in our family, in our relationship, in our office. So we are continuously absorbing. And this is a way to accumulate everything, all this knowledge, all these visuals, all these things which are happening around us. We are continuously absorbing it and storing in our head. And we retrieve this information whenever is required when we use certain mediums like be it art, writing, poetry or anything. We humans are a sponge. We absorb everything.
कोई मैनू जान दे या कोई मैनू नहीं दे जो मैनू जान दे नहीं पीछे हो जाओगे कोई मैनू जान दे या कोई मैनू नहीं दे जो मैनू जान दे नहीं पीछे हो जाओगे दादागिरी दादागिरी कल्ली मैनू रात मिले शराब मेरे नाल पीले मुंडा इन्ना खराब ने एरिया च दादागिरी सारी जागे काले कपड़े मिस कॉल कहंदी साप नोट आगे यले मैनू आके ले ले बिना पिए मैनू लगदियां स्वीट जूस लगदियां मैनू रियल क्यूट कर दियां ट्वीट बार अपनी हाथ पे लक तेरा मैनू तंग करे रात पर सक तेरा मेरे अख विच तू मेरी रानी चल शुरू करिए अपनी कहानी कोई मैनू जान दे या कोई मैनू नहीं भी जो मैनू जान दे नहीं पीछे हो जाओ बे.
We are definitely like sponge, and this sponge is absorbing, continuously absorbing everything. As a photographer, we've got this tool called camera, which helps us to bring out all the things which we have absorbed in this human brain and bring those things out in the form of visuals by the tool called camera. That's why it is always said that photography is nothing. It is just the information which you have stored in your mind, whatever you have seen, you've seen movies, you've been into a relationship, you've gone through bad time, you've gone through good time, and it is just a reflection of everything. Whenever the right time comes and you get the right medium, you bring out all those things, all those information, all those colors, all those moods, all those emotions and everything in your work. So according to me, human body is just like a sponge. Sponge, you dip it into the water and it absorbs all the water, but up to a limit. After a limit, it stops absorbing when it is full. Up to a limit, you can absorb things. Up to a limit, you can store things, but you have to bring those things out. Absorb everything, and when your absorption is full, squeeze that through camera and bring out that extra thing which is gone into your body, into your mind, into your soul through your work. That's why I say that every photographer is different and every photographer's work is different and their style is different. Why? Because we are so different and we are going through things which are different in our lives. Whatever I am going through, maybe you're not going through. Whatever I have seen in my life, you are not seeing those things in your life. That's the thing which makes us unique, and that's the thing which creates our own style. And that's why don't try to copy somebody, because you can't copy them, because their sponge is different, which is absorbing different things, and your sponge is different, which is absorbing different things. Though you may be using the same tool called camera, but the things which are accumulated in that sponge is different. and that's why your work will stand out and you will be different from the other person. Don't care about the other people, what they are doing or what their style is. You can be inspired by them, but you can't copy them. Even if you try to copy them, you will bring something of your own in your work. So nobody can copy your work or nobody can imitate you, because you are you and your sponge is different, and the things which you have absorbed are different, and definitely whatever comes out of that sponge is going to be different. So keep absorbing, let this sponge absorb things, and let you squeeze this sponge through your camera and bring out interesting and strong work which is your work and nobody else's work, because you are you and I am I, and I can't be you and you can't be me. That's for sure. And in the end, I would like to say that if you like whatever I'm doing and whatever this channel is giving you or whatever my thoughts are, why don't you go and subscribe to this channel? Push that button, because you'll get regular updates and I'll get a subscriber. Yeah, I'll get a subscriber and you get a regular updates. So we go happy.
DADA get it. DADA get it. DADA get it.